What's up guys, this is Michael with AudioFormz. Today we're going to be showing y'all how to install our new RZR XP2 top. This top in particular is a level 4. So this will come with 2 of our 8-inch EVO2s in it, 2 of our shallow mount 10-inch subs, 1 of our new 900.4 amplifiers in it, the Hertz radios, front and rear light bars, the IC LEDs. Let's get started. Seven 16th wrench, 10mm socket, T40 Torx head, 11mm socket, impact wrench, 5/16 drill bit, a drill. Next, you're going to take your light bar. Your light bar is going to come bolted down to the top. Before you put the top on, you want to take your light bar off. There's going to be factory holes inside the cage there. You just want to take the bolts that come with there, go ahead and put them inside there, inside the brackets. Put your bolts in, and if they don't line up just like that, just like perfectly, you might take a drill bit and dremel out the holes inside the fiberglass with the drill bit. Then you're gonna put your nut and washer on. After you get your nut and washer started, you want to plug your light bar in. It's right here, just a simple plug. It only can go one way, just like the rest of our light bars. Plug it in. Then you want to check to make sure that you got your light bar centered. You can get a tape measure out if you want to. If not, you just center up the best you can, get back and look at it, make sure it's centered to left to right there. So you can go all the way to the right or all the way back to the left. After that, you want to take your 11mm socket and wrench, and you want to suck down the front 2 bolts first, and then we'll move to the rear. Now, since you got the front bolted down, you want to move to the rear. Take your 1/4-inch drill bit or a 5/16 drill bit, and you're going to drill in this factory hole in the cage right there. You're going to take your drill bit and drill that hole right there. You want to try to get it straight, clean that hole up, blow it off with an air hose or something. Then you'll stick your other bolt and washer through that hole and tighten down the rear top. Next step, after you get your top that's bolted down, you want to take the driver's seat, reach up underneath there and slide it forward. There is a red strap that's behind there. Just want to pull it up. You want to pull that red strap up. It's like a red lanyard. Pull it up, you pop your seat out, and you want to locate your battery. So this right here is going to be your battery. They put a cover on here now, so you want to take a T40 Torx head bit, and there's going to be a T40 here. You want to zip that off of there. Once you get that off, set your bolt to the side. You want to pick it up and tilt it forward, and it's got like a little latch in there that goes inside the frame there. And then here's your battery here. So you want to take your cable. Like I said, if there's too much wire on there, you just cut it to whatever length you want. We just put a standard amount on there for y'all. You want to run it all the way down your roll cage there, and then you want to run it. You got a ground wire and then a positive wire. You're going to run it up underneath your seat bracket there, seat frame. And then you'll take your positive and do the same. And then you'll take your excess wire and you want to keep it away from your seat, because your seat latches on this bar right here, then it also slides back and forth. So we recommend just coming along the side there. Should be fine. Then you'll take some supply zip ties up that we send you. It's zip tied against the cage, and then you're to the support bar right here, and then also to your main harness. You can put one right here, then one right there, and zip tied all the way down. And you just take your battery terminals, and just roll up the excess wire. Like I said, if you want it short, you can cut it short. But we pre-crimp all the terminals on there for y'all. You want to take it and just go to black's negative and red's positive. Okay, in there, take your 10 mil socket. Tighten it up right there. Make sure you got a good tight. Same thing with your positive. I've already got it pretty loose here. Plus for our tops, it's 2-wire hookup straight to the battery. Once you get that tight, put your cover and stuff back on. And you want to take your battery cover. So it's going to be a little bit more wire in there, so you'll have to maneuver some around. Take it, and there's a little slot inside the frame hole up about right here. Take it, fold it down in there, like so. Take your bolt, start it back in there, tighten it back down, put your seat back in. You might have to reach back in there and pull that lever back up, get it to slide back in there. It's cut. After you get your seat, you want to turn the top on. So all of our tops going to have media center. With the Hertz radio, you got to hold this source button down for about 1 or 2 seconds. It'll come on, boot up. In the meantime, while that's booting up, you got your speaker lights here. You got your dome lights, your front light, then you have your rear light. So after it's connected to here, you got all your zone controls, your sub control volume. And then y'all are ready to ride. Thanks, guys.